And behind the trees, we see a moron who walked out with everything but the camera. There he is. So let's recap. You got everything, including a big massive 2 tripods
and a
sandwich and 2 microphones, but the camera was left in the car.
I brought a camera. I just didn't bring the camera.
It's too amazing. Anyway,
Give me camera.
The sandwich.
So just show why we bring Evans.
I am the.
You brought the tripod, you fool! Right. Okay. You're alright, I've got the camera. Carry on. Welcome! Welcome! Good boy.
Can you at least have the sandwich?
I'll get the sandwich. I have the sandwich. Good morning, and welcome to German Lane in Charnock Richard. Today's video starts with Les Ross, as would every Cumbrian coaster. That's not a Cumbrian coaster, it's Cumbrian Mountain Express.
I got most marshmallows thrown at my car. It needed to be a lovely day.
You had marshmallows thrown at your car?
Ramsbottom chaps. Not got much better to do, so they were trying to get out of Tesco car park, sat there, they walked across the road, going, marshmallows in your engine, marshmallows in your engine. Tiniest little things like that. Marshmallows in your engine. Like,
this is why you need a dash cam.
Okay. You need a dash cam. What the fuck is going on? And it just followed me down because then I was stuck in traffic, so they just followed me down throwing marshmallows in my car. Like. Stop making me laugh, it's a sad moment.
That's fallen over.
Oh no, what's happened to the drop?
I was just going to say that. Oh, I took the fence out as well.
No!
Is he dead?
Yeah! Broken his neck. How many times?
Killed the giraffe?
Yeah.
It's invisible. It's windy, I don't like it. It's,
He's got a different car. Nice, Mr. Kerry.
Smith. That's on Nick's.
Bye. Be back in a minute.
Well done. Well done, you upset Lord Gary. That's it for us now, forever.
Makes me want a cola lemon toffee though.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe smash them up a bit more though, because we've only got an hour. Are these two separate pieces, not into dust? Is it working at all?
No.
You check?
They are literally all one piece.
Oh, I don't want that. Have to find a tree or a brick.
I could throw them at that. Get closer to the eye, go.
Okay.
Oh.
Yay! Have you washed your hands?
I've done your sanitizer.
That's fine. Too late. Did you get two out?
I got one.
No. Oh, you got one?
Yeah.
You haven't got one? You got one?
Yeah.
Oh. So you did get two out? So you're lying?
No, I got one.
Well, now 1 equals 1.
Exactly.
Who are you, Boris Johnson's accountant? Your first horse for you were attacked by a horse, weren't you? Happy days. Pre-camera.
Was for you.
Pre-camera. I've filled that hole.
You what?
That cold lemon thing.
Oh. I thought you said I've sold that hole.
Oh dear. It was that last hill. Oh dear. Ow. Ow. Still breathe, that's all that matters really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Will it work like a sore throat lozenge? Will it just sit there?
Well, it's been sat in this car so long, it's probably radioactive by this point.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why it's going so slow.
Hey, hello. Never seen that before.
Yeah.
Never seen anything like it.
It's very up its arse.
Won't be for long, will it?
Oh, you're a
I'm not!
You are a
I'm seriously...
You're a
Why
the have you just done that?
You calm down!
No, you've just spilled tea all over me. There, you I'm not doing it.
I was not doing that!
Calm the down,
down. I am not!
Yes, you are.
I was trying to find the lid.
Why did she try and find a lid when you knew I was pouring tea? Why are you being a massive
Because I don't want to die. And I've dismantled about 3 cups and I've lost the lid.
If you wanted tea, why didn't you pull over?
On the hard shoulder?
No, before we got on the motorway would have been a good idea.
I didn't want tea then.
Well,
I apologise wholeheartedly. It was not intentional. If it was intentional, I would have poured it over you myself.
what a stupid time to go looking for a lid. You say, pour me tea, and then swerve the car. I'm not falling for that ever again.
It was not intentional. I just leaned on the wheel as we go for that. Should I put the heat seat on? Well,
Probably not, considering it's on my knee. It's dripping down my left leg.
This tea amazing.
you broke the tripod, you fool. Right. I have the sandwich.
It's dripping down my left leg.